Job after job, the Milwaukee Stud Tape Measure is the industry's most durable tape measure. Stud features up to 17 feet of reach, letting you take longer measurements and reach further. Tape measures take a beating on the job site. The Stud Tape Measure stands above the rest with a fully reinforced frame and XO360 blade technology that delivers the longest lasting blade. So while taking measurements on rough or abrasive surfaces, whether through bending or retracting, your tape measure blade is rip and wear resistant and will outlast any other tape measure blade in the industry. A fully reinforced frame and overmold deliver the best impact resistance, ensuring Stud will survive an 80-foot drop. Experience the industry's most durable tape measure and put it to the test.